Okay, now it's time to put what you have learned in action. In this section, I'm going to give you 3 exercises, and I want you to do them one by one. Do not skip any of them, because every single exercise in this section includes challenges that you will face in the real world. Now, at the end of each exercise, look at my solution in the GitHub repository for this course. In the list of commits, you can see that we have multiple commits for exercises in this section. Don't look at all of them. Only inspect the one for the exercise you're currently working on. So let's start with the first exercise. In the list of customers, I want you to replace discount rate with the name of membership type. Now, our membership type currently does not have a name property. So you need to modify the domain class and update the database using a migration. Then you need to create another migration to update the existing records in the database. You need to use the SQL method for that. But instead of using the insert statement, you need to use the update statement. So pause the video and spend 5 to 10 minutes on this task. When you finish, look at my solution on GitHub and then move on to the next exercise. And one last thing, if you get stuck, that's perfectly fine. Remember, you are learning ASP.NET MVC, so don't set high expectations for yourself. If you get stuck, look at my solution and then update the project on your computer. Then move on to the next exercise. So pause the video and get started.